Alright, hey, this is Hans, coming at you with yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. This is something new from Sapporo Ichiban, Sanyo Foods. Yeah, let's crack it open and see what we got here. Oh, wow. Well, whatever they sent it in a rad bag. Yeah, check that out. I'll definitely use this. Thanks a lot. So you might have noticed the bag mentioned this. I'm like really excited about this because the Sapporo Ichiban chow mein is something I'm really fascinated with and absolutely love. But this is Yakisoba, and it looks like, let's see, cooking directions. It looks like it's gonna be about the same thing. Wow. Yeah. So a spicy version. I have a feeling it's going to be a little different than just a spicy version of the chow mein, but we will see. I'll be trying this very soon. They also sent stickers. Yeah, I dig stickers. And check this out, a little keychain. Wow, this will go in my collection of awesome things. Very cool. Well, thank you so much to the folks down at Sanyo Foods down in California, makers of Sapporo Ichiban. I really appreciate it and looking forward to giving it this a try. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.